Okay, on today we're going to be making these large flower decorations, okay? And how do we do this? Well, we get table covers, and you take one of the table covers and you cut it in half, directly in half, okay? Then once you get that table cover cut in half, we're gonna cut this. You wanna use half of this part, okay? So what I'm going to do in order to get half of it, I'm going to fold it like this. And the edges that is folded right here, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this side here so I can take it loose. We should be able to make 4 of these flowers, okay? So now that we've cut that, we're going to take this and we're going to pull it apart, okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to take 2 and 2 and then we're going to pull it apart. Okay. All right. Okay, that's one part, and this is the other part. And we're just going to put this on the side, and we're going to use this later, okay? Okay. So, now what we're going to do, we're going to fold this like an accordion or a fan. And sometimes you may have to get someone to help you to do this because sometimes it can get a little like it wants to unravel. I don't want to stay together, okay? But what we're going to do, I have my wire waiting for me. So when I finish, I can wrap it around, okay? So we're going to go back and forth with this. And I just kind of go, I say that's probably about 1 inch of a bend. Doesn't have to be precise. And I kind of take and hold it like this. And I go back and forth. Just kind of go different ways I fold it. Just want to get that fold all the way through. Okay. And keep going back and forth. Back and forth. And even if it's not even, it's okay. Because by the time you take and put it together, and when you cut the edges, and we're going to make sure after we cut the edges that there is even. And it's going to look wonderful and awesome. So you don't have to be precise. I'm just going back and forth till I get to the end. Okay. These are great to put on the walls of your children's room. It's cute decorations at parties. You know, a lot of people make these balloon decorations now, and this can be added in with those balloons. So, and then you have all the colors. By doing this, you're going to have the colors that you're going to use in your decor. Okay. So, see, I'm so used to bending that I know how to take my hand and I just go back and forth with it. Back and forth. Sometimes you could even get like a clip to hold it so it won't unravel. Kind of keep it as tight as you can. And look, we're almost to the end of it. That didn't take long. Okay. Back and forth. Okay, and there we go. We've come to the end. So now, see, it's not perfect, but it's good. We're going to take our wire, and we're going to put it in about the middle. And we're going to take and bend it around. And twist it. Okay. So here we go. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. So now we're going to take each edge, and as you see in these, there's curves to it. So this is what we want to do. We want to make some curves or points where we're cutting the edges. So when we open it up, it's going to look just like these flowers, okay? So I'm going to take and do it kind of in a curved position. I take half of it at a time because sometimes it's hard for the scissors to cut through. Okay? And then turn it around. And let's cut the curve on this side. See? And sometimes I double check and see right here in the middle, in this middle one, I don't think it cut down far enough, so I'll take and go over that. Okay? All right. Then I'm looking at this side. I'm going to do a little touch up here. So now I'm going to turn it around. And these are curved, but we can also do it on a slant, okay? So what I'm going to do after I do this, I'm going to show you how I would do it on a slant. Okay. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up and make sure I'm getting a good circle when I open it up. Okay. This side is a little shorter, so I'll just take my wire and make sure the shorter part, I'm going to move it down a little bit. Okay. Like that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up. It's just 2 sheets. Okay. So we're going to open it up like this. And once we open it up, we're just going to pull them completely out. Okay. And now let's open the other side the same way. When I'm opening it up, I hold on to the bottom wire. And now I'm going to just pull these down. Okay. And we have all right. We have the opening of the flowers. Now, we have this, and what I'm going to do is put, this is a little pom-pom. I'm going to take my glue gun, and I'm going to put some glue here. And I'm going to take my little pom-pom in the middle, and there we have it. It's cute. So on this one, I had a little gold decoration, okay? Oh, that was lovely. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you is that, see, this is another one with the round circle. So, but what I'm going to show you this time, even though this is round, we're going to take and adjust it to be something pointed, okay? We're going to make some deep cuts. Turn around, make some other deep cuts. Okay. So this is another way to do it. Okay, and on this one, we have a pipe cleaner. Okay, a lot of people have pipe cleaners readily available if you're into arts and crafts. So here we go again. We're gonna take and do a sharp point. Sharp point. Okay. Let's touch it up. Okay. And again, we're going to open it up. We're gonna make sure it comes to almost a complete decoration, a complete circle. Okay, about even. And again, we're going to open this up. It's just going to look a little different with the sharp points. These kind of look like a sunburst. And let's do this other side. All right, isn't this lovely? Okay. And for this one, I am going to use a little kind of a squared gem. And we put a little glue in the middle. And I'm going to put the little gem in the middle, and I'll give a little push down. Okay. So I hope that you find many ways that you can use this. There are awesome ways to decorate, and it's real easy and simple to make. And out of a basic tablecloth, you should be able to get at least 4 of these. So give it a try, and let me know what you think about these. And I look forward to having you subscribe to my station, because believe me, there's so many more ideas that I have that I'm going to want to share with you. Okay, thank you.